If you're watching this video, you're trying to find out more information on door hinge pin replacement and bushings on a C3 Corvette. I have recorded some of the process on how I replace the door pins and bushings on my 1973 Corvette. However, this is definitely, I am no means mechanically inclined, so I did it, but I had some great instructions from other videos. So make sure that not only do you watch my video, but you would look at the videos in the description on how to better do and get more insight on how to proceed with this work. So things I want to let you know before you start this project, a couple pointers. That the one great video that you're going to find the link is when this guy he's replacing his pin and his door pin and bushings. He has to keep his door on the hinges when he does the replacement because he has auto locks and power windows. I did not run into the same problem because I don't have any auto locks or power lock, so I took the door directly off the hinges, which is nicer if you're manual. It's just something to think about. Also too, I didn't really think about the fact that I have to remove the manual window handle to take the door cover off before I get access to the bolts. That's a tricky little prospect, and I've done there's a couple of tricks on how to do it, but I would recommend looking and finding a special hinge pin removal for the window handle. They make them specifically for this task of moving off the clips off the door handles, and you can save yourself probably around 30 or 45 minutes of trying to get the right technique of taking off that pin. I would recommend that. I went into this with thinking it was going to be a one-man job, but however, when you move the door off the hinges and place it on the ground, it's really difficult to put the door back on into the proper alignment by yourself. The person that did it, that I'm going to link to, that really they have the best example of how to do this, kept their door on the hinges due to the fact that there was electrical wire connecting the door to the chassis. There was also recommended in his video that to trace bolts. I didn't do that, and it turned out that was something I should have done to kind of get a better idea of how the bolts looked before I took it off. And also, again, like I mentioned a second ago, I am by no means a expert mechanic. However, this job, I think I did probably around a 95% solution on it. It's not quite right, but it's good enough, and I saved around $900 doing this. So good luck. Remember, not only watch this video, but pay very close attention to the video examples in the description. I'm going to show a couple. I'm going to give you a link to the special tool for taking off your manual window handle. I'm going to give you to the link to the other door hinge pin replacement bushing from another C3 person, and I'm also going to give you that hack for how to remove your pin with a shop towel, and in my case I used a sock. Good luck and have fun. Door cover off. We're going to take out these two bolts to get to the upper hinge bolts. So right behind there. My window. Hey dude, you gonna come help me take this door off the hinges?
Doors
Huh?
though. Doors.
Yes, that's the door. But I don't need you getting in there because Daddy's very, very confused right now. Alright, so I've got all 4 bolts off there. All 4 bolts off that one. There's the list of bolts. They all look the same. Hey, wait. I need you to back up here. Thank you.
Toolbox.
And then, I know that is a toolbox. Please. Yep. And then I'm going to pull the door right up. Alright, here it goes. This is, maybe this will work this time. My half-assed door suspension system. Okay. Alright, you ready, Barrett? Bingo.
The door's off, Bear.
So now I'm gonna have to find this pin. Boom. Came right out. It didn't touch the body at all, which was nice. There's another video on hinge removal on Corvettes. It's a A2 Holmes family. I'll make sure I post the link. He does a really great job, better than me, on how to do this. But one thing he has is electricity that comes out and goes to his probably power locks or power windows. But I can, so he can't disconnect the door all the way, but I can. So it makes it a lot easier for me. But again, he said that you have to Dremel this sometimes to get it to clear the body without messing up the body. But in my case, it just came right off. Tapped it out, everything's good to go. So here is the packaging for the door hinge pin and bushing repair kit from Corvette America. Comes with the pins and the brass bushings. Now that I have both hinges on, I'm going to try to mount the door.
Fried pumpkin in it?
Boom.